Hello everyone, my name is Harsh and today I am back again. My students are going to ask me various questions on the different issues. So, let's begin it.
Can you tell us about Indian culture?
Yes, of course, I can tell you about the Indian culture. Our Indian culture is very best, okay, and it is very ancient across the world. If you compare it with the Western culture, so there are many types of specialty in our Indian culture. So just like the food varieties and the dressing varieties and the dance varieties that you find across the Indian culture is very vibrant. There are so many people who speak different type of languages, and if I provide you the data, so around 1600 dialectic languages are spoken only in the India, and there are 22 official languages. So if you compare it with any other country, then you will find our Indian culture is very best.
Okay, Harsh.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about Indian and Pakistan relationship?
As the whole world knows, India and Pakistan countries enemy to each other, but there are also some conventions that are made on the certain topics like on the defense and on the water. If I talk about the water treaty, so that is very important, because if India stop supplying the water in the Pakistan, so there will be the scarcity of the water. So we support also to the Pakistani people because we believe in the humanity. Okay, and sometime you see on the border our soldiers are killed by the Pakistani rangers. So that is a bad thing, very. But we always support the people in improving the quality of life there. Okay, so in this way our government sometimes also take the revenge from the Pakistan because of their mischievous activities. So that is why I would like to say some peoples are also good, but some people are very bad there. So in this way our government is maintaining the relationship.
Okay. Next question.
Yes.
How does it affect our sports, especially cricket?
Okay, if we are talking about the bilateral relationship of the India and the Pakistan, so it affects our sports very much. Especially you are asking me about the cricket, so you must have observed that our Indian team is not going to play with the Pakistan. Okay, for some years. I still remember the incident when our Indian team went in the Pakistan and there was shootout on our some players. So after that, many of the countries have boycotted the Pakistan to play the matches, and you see that in India the IPL is conducted. So there the huge revenue is generated in the India. So India does not need to go in the Pakistan and play over there, and this is the loss of the Pakistani cricketers just because of their mischievous activities. They are losing, okay, and their players are also not very good in the game in comparison to the India. For example, you can see when the match is between the India and the Pakistan, then the spectators are very energetic, and the whole entire team is putting their effort to win that match. And many of the times, mostly in the cricket, our India team wins, and I also personally enjoy that match.
Okay. How is the social media useful for students?
If I talk about the social media, so that is become a revolutionary media, because first I tell you about the traditional media. Traditional media is like which is also called the mainstream media, like the national channels. For example, GTV and NDTV. So what happened? They involved in the politics very much. They didn't tell us about the daily incidents. But now with the introduction of the social media, it has been quite possible for us to even cover a single or the very story that is of the poor people. So the students issues are being raised. For example, now Modi Rozgar Do, that campaign has been run by the Abhinay sir, and who is the very popular teacher of the mathematics. So he has run this campaign so that most of the students can get the exams, and there will be no delay in the exam. So this is the demand of the students. So I think it platform, this platform, especially the YouTube, has proved a very live stone for the students. If we want to know about any of the topic, we can easily go on the YouTube and just search it. There is a search engine which will find out the content relating to your search. So you can easily find out, and that will be easily possible for you to look and grab the knowledge. So this
Okay.
is